Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I need to put about u equals to s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we got about the u equals to the s dv. We have e to the power of s over 1 plus e to the power of s ds. Now I will show you how to find this integration in here. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to 1 plus e to the power of s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have e to the power of s ds. First derivative of this one, we keep about this one. First derivative of number 1, you got about 0 because this is about the constant. So this one we change by u e to the power of s ds, we change by the u. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u. And then we put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we put this one gone here. But we just use about parentheses in this situation. Now we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, so we have the integration this one, and we have the s. Next I will concentrate about this one only. So I will multiply by e to the power of s on numerator and denominator. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to negative e to the power of s. That means I will put the negative sign on here. Next, I will do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u, you got about number 1, so we have negative number 1 in here, so we can simplify like this. This one we have e to the power of s ds. So this one positive e to the power of s, we change by negative u. This one we change by negative u. E to the power of s ds, we change by negative du. So negative with negative, we simplify. The integration of this one, we will have about negative li number 2, and we have u and we put about C. That's E about the constant. This one is about the logarithmic equation. So this is about the special functions in here. About U, that's it about this one. So we go back in here. This one, that is about this one. So I will put this one going here. And I will put about C, that's about the constant. Negative, negative, you go about positive. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.